Oh, hi. How are you?
There's green onions, Douglas. Can you go get those for me, please? Looks like they put some produce. Give me them tomatoes right there.
Kaibigan, ayan. Oh, hala. Kuha na tayo sa basura. Oh, ayan. Tinatapon. Oh. Sayang. Oh. Ayan, langoy na. Langoy na tayo. Saan ni? Oh, wow. Mga baldi, oh. Oh, tinatapon mga baldi. Hala. Ayan, oh, kagatapon lang. Wow. Ayan, oh, katatapon lang mga kaibigan, oh. Katatapon lang, oh, dami. Hala, grabe, karni. Ha, wow. Katatapon lang, oh. Hala, kalabay lang nila. Oh, grabe. Ayan, katatapon ng mga kaibigan, oh. Swerte na naman tayo. Kunin natin itong mga baldi, oh. Pulso. Ayan, oh, grapes, oh. Ganda, oh. Ang dami. Ang dami mga kaibigan, oh. Ayan, ah. Lagyan natin ito. Grabe, oh. Daming tinapon. Wow, itlog. Ay, itlog na naman. Sus, ayun, wala tayong mapaglagyan da. Itlog na naman, oh. Tinapon. Saan ko ilagay ang itlog dito? Ayan, mga eggs. Ayay. Eggs, mga kaibigan. Tinapon, mga eggs. Daming laman. So ngayon, puno na siya, ilagay natin sa kotse. Ayan, apple, grabe kalaki. Ay, grabe. Grabe kapaldo si Inday Rooney ngayon, oh. Dami, oh. Grabe ang itlog, dami itlog. Oh my God. Dami. Okay, ang dami pa doon. Grabe kadami. Katatapon lang mga kaibigan. Grabe, malamig pa ang karne. Naka-jackpot na naman tayo ng karne. Grabe, oh, katatapon lang. Oh. Wow! Wow! Wow, apples. Oh. Grabe ka, paldo. Oh, paldo mga kaibigan. Wala niya, oh, dami kadami. Dami dito banda. Kuha na lang siguro ako ng ito. Apples. Apples, oh. Grapes. Strawberries. Mga salad. Oh, katatapon. Ang bigat na ito ba? Ang bigat na. Paldo-paldo, oh. Dami, ang lamig-lamig pa ng mga apples. Wow, katatapon lang talaga. Salad, oh. Uy, saging. So ngayon, grabe ka, paldo-paldo ang basurira. Sos, grabe ka dagan, oh. Ako, hindi ko na maabot. Paano natin? Sana may dala akong bag, no? Ang bigat mga kaibigan. Ilagay ko sa loob ng bag kay grabe talaga. Hindi talaga kayang buhatin. Hello sa inyong lahat. Kumusta? Hindi kayang buhatin ni Inday Runing. Ayan. Okay. Pasukin natin. Pagkatapon lang, oh. Ang lamig-lamig pa. Bigat. Okay. Grabe mga kaibigan ang mga napulot ni Inday Runing sa basurahan. Oh, ang lamig-lamig pala. Grabe karne. Oh, ayan, jackpot. Itlog na naman. Ayan mga kaibigan, sus ko, kagrabe talaga mga tinapon ngayon. Sobrang dami. Grabe talaga. So ngayon, hindi pa tapos si Inday Runing. Halugugin natin. Ayun yung isang basurira. Yung isang basuriro mga kaibigan, nakarating lang. Hi! Ayan siya, oh. Ayan yung basuriro dito. Hi! Ayan mga kaibigan, ayan na, dumating siya. Hi, how are you? Hi, huh? It is. I got stuff in there. Maybe if you want something. I already get in there. I did not open that one. But I have some in the car. If you can go and check. Okay. Oh, do you have some eggs? Bigyan natin siya yung nakuha ko sa atin. Oh, hi. How are you?
There's green onions back there. Can you go get those for me, please? Looks like they put some garlic. Give me them tomatoes right there. Sorry. Yeah, can you?
How are you?
Good.
Oh, you wanna go up? You wanna go up?
Yeah, he's going in.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. I just park over here in the shade. The
Ah.
dogs, you park in the shade.
Oh yeah, it's very hot. Oh, ayan, bibigyan natin sila mga kaibigan. Kasi mayroon silang ano, na masura din sila. Marami naman po, nakauna na kasi ako dito, nauna na ako. Ayan, mayroon po tayong nakuha ditong mga ano. Marami pa rin, pero andito sila, bigyan natin. Dito na ako naka-parking. Ayan. So, nagdala ako ng bag kasi lalagyan ko sana dumating sila ba. Dumating sila. So, tingnan natin. Maybe if gusto nilang halugugin doon. Ano kaya yung ano nila? Dalawa na sila ngayon. You guys wanna go in there? I already got stuff.
Yeah, we're going in this one.
Okay. You don't want anything on my car?
Nobody there. You don't need anything?
Well, I want to share with you guys because
sweetie.
because I got so many already.
God, you got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I got in early.
Oh, good.
So if you guys want to get stuff,
Yeah.
so
We can keep all that. That's good. That's,
no, you can get some too.
yeah. What about this? You want this?
The meat, yeah, you can have the meat.
No, but what's this?
Yeah, those are like a beef.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
just take this, honey.
Yeah, you can have. Here, there's one too. Yeah, you can cook them. See, there's the cold. You just throw it.
The turkey?
Yeah.
That's good, the turkey.
Yeah, you can have them.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll
Thank
show you. I got so much here too. You want any? There's some eggs.
No.
Here, you can put in here.
No,
You
it's
can
okay,
you can
honey.
use this.
I have a cooler. I'll put it
Oh,
in my
okay.
cooler.
You want-
I got some things.
You
Thank
want
sweetie.
you want apples, fruits. I got some apples in the bottom.
Yeah, he likes,
See these? You like these,
yeah.
right?
Oh, thanks, hon. That's
Yeah,
good.
You got
yeah.
yeah. So you can look. You're free to look. I just have many. I can.
Just give me a
you know.
mushroom too then.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sweetie.
I'll get a bag because.
I'll go here, put it on
Okay.
top. I'll put this in the truck. Hold on.
Yeah. Bigyan natin siya kay. Marami pa kasi din doon mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin dito. Oh wow, look at the tomatoes. Sure. I like tomatoes. And if you can get me the celery. Oh, this is one. One is good. The celery is right there. Thank you. Celery. Okay, wala akong celery. Bigyan natin sila anong gusto nila dito. Marami dyan. O, ipakuha na lang natin sa kanila anong gusto niya. Bahala na siya dyan. Itong broccoli, I like the broccoli. So, i-keep ko to. My apples and everything. You don't want the grapes?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. It is very hot now. You can grab some more here. Yeah, just grab
I got
whatever.
some cookies here. If you
Oh,
want.
I'm good. I'm good.
I don't eat that either. I'm gonna put them in the trash here.
Cookie? Oh, don't throw it. I
No,
take
don't
it.
want
Yeah,
Take
get
it. Here,
yeah,
put
get
that. Put it in here.
yeah, get
So you
whatever.
get
We have I
this
got so much apple. That's good. They're just cold too.
No, I get some.
Some salad. Yeah, grab whatever you want in there. Yeah, yeah, grab it.
Tomatoes in here. Give me this little tomatoes. I don't want to take her tomatoes.
Are you able to grab the celery?
Oh, good.
Oh, there's a lot of onions. You guys may want onions. How about asparagus? Do you guys use the asparagus?
Sometimes we do.
Okay, you can have that one. Yeah, they're fresh. I just get one. That's yours, the other one. Okay. Okay, bahala na sila dun. You're welcome.
Everywhere that is. Give me them tomatoes. Oh, you got tomatoes already.
They have many onions too.
Yeah, they have. You got the onions?
They have in there too
The
so
green
many.
Onions? They're right over there. I showed you. The green onions. You should be right there. You want that back there? No, I got those. Oh, you did? Okay, that's good.
Give me one. You can look in there on my car because I
Look
have.
at you. You're so modern.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Let him go look in there.
No, it's okay, honey. We're good.
No, I got so many. I got so many.
Everybody has everything.
They have eggs. Maybe you guys cook
No, we're not
eggs.
cooking eggs today.
Okay. Got
Sometimes
this.
I got my mushroom on.
Do you have
We're good.
this one? You like this?
No, I have it. Keep that. I already have
Are
my
you sure?
I took one of
Okay.
the salads.
Okay.
Bye, sweetie. Thank
All
you.
right. Nice to meet
Me
you.
too. Thanks. You're a
Douglas,
sweetheart.
you want anything? You can look.
Did you get the raspberries?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.